Okay, hello and welcome to a video of me trying to fix this. It's a twin head, which is about I think it's back in 2004 if not mistaken, number 2006, April 2006. So it's about 13 years old now, and it stopped working in I think it's 2007 or 2008, right? And the only thing I haven't checked is probably could be the RAM issues. So yeah, the charger's gone, but I managed to get a replacement one, and this just came in, 1 gig of RAM, because this is the only one I can find, because I was trying to look for 512, but the cheapest one or the only available one was this, actually 1 gig, and it came in 2, so I may as well, yeah, just give it a shot and hopefully it works. So here's actually where the RAM slots are. I took it out previously and tried to use the eraser fix, but unfortunately it didn't work, so hence trying to order new ones, see if it actually powers up. So yeah, anyway, so this is it, this is where it is. Okay, first we have to move this clip here. Okay, and then goes up. So yeah, probably this is faulty already. Okay, I'm gonna try to put in this new one. So yeah, so this is actually DDR. Would have easily cost me 300 plus. You know, back in 2007, 2008, but now, yeah, it's quite cheap. I got it for less than like what, 30, including shipping, for 2 sticks. So okay, I'm gonna hook this up now and see if it powers up. Moment of truth. Switch on. Seems to be powering up. See if it detects, and there we go. Hey, it's alive. Awesome. Now let's see. Okay, yep, that most definitely happens. We just continue, and let's see when it boots. It's alive. It's alive. Okay, so yeah, why does RAM, breaks? Probably there's a few reasons, but let's see if it actually boots into Windows. Hopefully it does. Yeah. At least it's working now. Previously you just can't boot. So anyway, yeah, let's see if it goes into Windows. Well, the mouse pad still works, which is good. And unfortunately this one is still using IDE, so I can't put a SSD in it. So yeah. Okay, yeah, alright. Now what is wrong with this? Okay, apparently there's a worm in this, so I'm gonna probably use Linux and clean up the virus, and probably see if I can put a Windows 10 on it. But nevertheless, it's working now. So yeah, I'll do a summary video after this. So okay, as you can see that now the laptop is running. Apparently I found out the other RAM is not good as well. The second RAM it came with, it's faulty, so I think so fine is fine actually, because I just want to buy one and to fix that this laptop. Anyway, so what actually happened? Okay, probably the reason why the RAM broke in the first place could be due to the voltage that was used, because as this laptop was brought in from, actually it's not from here, not from Malaysia, because it's mostly used back in Indonesia. So could be back then what I understand was the electricity there was not stable, so sometimes you just search up and down. So I'm assuming that could be the reason why it actually caused the RAM to fail, because most of the time it's quite hard to make a RAM faulty. So anyway, currently running Linux on it now. You want to do a full backup and stuff like that, and once that's done, I'll probably think the most I can push is up to Windows 7, even though the support will be until next year in January, but we shall see. I'm trying to see if any other available Linux distribution will be able to run on it, because from the one I'm testing now, Porteous, which is supposed to be quite light, the laptop's a bit struggling, so yeah. But anyway, all is good, so if you can repair it, yeah, don't throw it. I'll see you guys in the next video.